have some all-purpose flour with salt. We're gonna add some baking powder.
Morning, Mr. Chance. Mr. Chance. What's up? Still reeling from that 13th astrological sign.
We're gonna add some shortening. You can use butter or lard if you have. Use whatever you have. You can use oil also. And we're gonna break. We're gonna crumble this shortening with the flour. Crumble until everything becomes like a crumb. It's gonna have that crumb effect.
Oh, good Lord, I'm 2 weeks late. Late. You know
Remember, you can use butter, and it has to be at room temperature.
Please, we're always so careful.
You can see it's crumbled nicely.
Oh man, that was so beautiful. The multicolored.
We have a cup of warm water, not too hot, not too cold, not directly from the pipe, just warm water.
Ford Fairlane is Andrew Dice Clay's best movie. How can you say that? He was in Pretty in Pink.
We're gonna proceed.
Doesn't count. He wasn't Andrew Dice Clay then. Jimmy, back me up. Hello? Hey, I'm filling out this form at the free clinic, and I need to know your mother's maiden name. Chance. No, her maiden name. Like before she was married. Chance. Really? Wow. Cousins, big drinkers, things happen. Okay then. I'll call you when I know something. Who's that? Wrong number. I was set free clinic and it took too long for a wrong number. Yeah, well, I like human contact, Jimmy. Dog contact too. Cats are good. Birds make the nerves.
You can see nice soft dough.
When did you get here? You know, I'm going to call you back. Chelsea, you want me to come downstairs?
Excuse me.
I'm doing a lot because I'm going to save some for another day. I like to put it in the fridge because it's easy to use on the go.
Hey. Oh.
Don't want to work the dough too much. So we're just gonna get everything incorporated and we're gonna leave it to rest for at least half an hour. The longer, the better it will come out. I'll see you guys when we're rolling them out. Okay, so remember to flour your work surface and then flour a roller. Okay, so you're gonna get some flour generously. And you're going to begin to roll. roll as thin as possible. And we're gonna put it into a hot pan, no oil. It'll cook in like a few seconds, so you have to watch it and turn it. As soon as it bubbles up, you'll flip it.
Rule 2, don't cook eggs in the microwave.
Okay, so you see the process, you'll continue with all until their desired size and thickness. We'll see you back with the cooking process. So you wait until the pot is hot, then you place it down. This one got a little stuff, that's fine. And you just leave it until you see the bubbles, and when it give it like 10 or so seconds, 15 seconds, until it really bubbles up, and then you flip it and repeat the process. You can see the bubbles.
You all thought I was wasting my time, Miss Sabrina, but I knew if I waited long enough, I would get my chance. Who knows, if she wasn't cheating, we'd be dating by Monday.
It's a really hot pan, no oil, just a hot.
Father's right. If a cute girl like that's wandering around a college campus needing a hug, there's gonna be 100 guys.
You can check, flip.
All college guys cheat when
That's pretty much it. Give it a few seconds on the other side,
there are universities that advertise on late night television.
and we'll catch you back while assembling. But adding the chicken, the fries, gonna add the cheese, tomato slice, some coleslaw, and some Thousand Island dressing. So the trick is to tuck both ends first, then you try to roll as tightly as possible. And this one broke, but you get the gist, that's fine, because we're gonna wrap it in our fire saver. Then we slice, and that's pretty much it. Nice toasted tortilla filling inside, and that's how you make a chicken wrap from scratch.